Welcome, innovators and dreamers. Today, we're diving into a startup game changer, the art of the elevator pitch within your pitch deck. Imagine you're in an elevator with the investor of your dreams. What do you say in those crucial 30 seconds? Let's unlock the secrets to making those moments count. Think of your elevator pitch as the heartbeat of your pitch deck. It's brief, but it's where the pulse of your idea comes alive. Now, how do you craft this pivotal piece? Let's break it down. For beginning, picture your audience. These are busy people craving compelling stories, not just dry data. Your mission? To tell a story that sticks. Remember Ions? Their breakthrough tech was complex, but their pitch, it was a simple story about changing lives. That's the key. Simplicity married to emotion. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, identify the problem. Start with the core problem you're solving. Make it relatable. Next is your unique solution. How does your product or service change the game? This is your aha moment. Finally, the dream. Paint a picture of the future with your solution. Use analogies to simplify complex ideas. Think of it like turning the complex DNA of your idea into a captivating, easy-to-remember tune. Rhetorical questions are also your friend. They engage the audience, making them part of your story. Ask something like, have you ever wondered what it would be like if... Now, I want to hear from you. What's your elevator pitch? Drop it in the comments. Let's inspire and refine together. And if you're looking for more insights like these, don't forget to follow. Let's turn your vision into a reality, one pitch at a time.